Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer. For those who are new, welcome. I'm excited to have you here, and for those who are back, thank you so much for coming back. I'm so appreciative of your support and it just means so much to me. I hope that you love this video today because it was so much fun to film. We are doing a full face of Chanel. I know, right? I love Chanel. I think it's just such a beautiful brand. Great products. Not everything is 100% perfect from the brand by all means. No brand is. But there's some really great staple items in here, and I'm just going to put on my makeup here for you today and kind of share some things that I really enjoy from the brand and let you see how they apply and what they look like. But before we do so, I just want to thank you so much for being here. It means the world to me that y'all are here, and I just really hope that this is helpful for y'all. If you haven't subscribed yet, I just invite you to do so. It helps me as a content creator and helps my channel out, and it just means the world to me when y'all do so. So thank you so much, and I love getting to know y'all even more. All right, y'all, let's do it. Let's put on a full face of Chanel. I pulled out the pearls because today we're going to be talking about Chanel. I'm so excited. Full face of Chanel, well, mostly full face of Chanel. So let's get started with this product here. This is the Le Blanc. This is the base. Now this is a brightening makeup base. It has broad spectrum SPF 40 in it. It looks like this. Shake the bottle well. I really like this. It's really lightening. It looks like that. I'm just going to put it all over my face. Yeah, so it gives a slight like glow. I think I'm gonna move you in closer. Let's see. Yay! All right, I moved you in closer so you can see my face a little bit more when I put this stuff on. And then I'm going in with the Vita Aqua Lumiere. This is by Chanel. I have mine in shade 40. It says apply with fingertips or foundation brush and blend gently. Yeah, 40 beige is my shade. This is a good shade for me, I think. I've tried 30 like in the winter. That one's a good one for the winter for me, and a 40 is good for the summer. And I just like applying it with my fingers. Usually I'll use like my Bobbi Brown brush or whatnot, but this is just a real lightweight foundation. But it gives such a beautiful finish to the skin. Yeah, I love this. Now, all I'm taking, I have a little friend right here, so I'm just taking a little bit more foundation and just patting it around the area, just to give a little bit more coverage. This, by all means, is not a full coverage foundation at all. It's light to medium, I would say. It gives such a great sheen to the face. I feel like these two together really do a great job of layering on one another. I feel like I'm getting a little bit extra SPF in this after I apply my other SPF, but I do feel like they go really well together. All right, my trusty Bobbi Brown brush is drying. I just washed it. So I'm going in with the Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel. This is in Bronze Universal. Now this is the older formula, y'all. I really kind of want to compare the two, the newer formula to this older formula. You can tell I've made a good dent in this guy, but I really want to try the new formula because I don't know, I just want to kind of compare the two and see if there's any difference. I've heard that the ingredients are different. I think that there is coconut oil in the new formula. But y'all, this particular bronzer is just absolutely stunning. I just can't get over how beautiful it is, honestly. It's a great bronzer. I wouldn't say it's universal in tone, guys. I mean, I don't feel like any one shade can be universal, but I do feel like this is, you know, it's a pretty shade. I love it. You can build it up. It gives such a beautiful bronzed effect without being too much or feeling like you're muddy looking, because no one wants to look muddy. Not at all, right? But this is a really pretty one and I like it a lot. Next, I'm going in with this blush. This is a blush by Chanel. It's an evening beige. This is such a beautiful color. Taking my Bobbi Brown blush brush, looks like this, and tapping that over the cheeks. I will say, I do think that this Soleil Tan de Chanel works well. The powders work beautifully over it. I really do like the way that the powder sets on top of it. It looks nice. It doesn't disrupt the actual formula of any other type of powder that I've tried to use before. All right, that is the Evening Beige Blush. Now, I didn't take it too far up. I love taking blush up like on the cheeks. I just think it looks so good, but I knew I was gonna go in with a creamy highlighter. So this is the highlight that I am going to be using today. It's beautiful. It's a balm highlight. It's called Balm Essential Sculpting. It comes in a tube and it looks like this packaged. So it's a beautiful package. Has the CCs on the top. There we go. It's just a really gorgeous balm. I'm just going to apply some to my hand and kind of give you an idea of what this looks like. I'm just going to take some on my finger and then tap it right over the high points of my cheekbones. And then you can kind of tell whatever yes. Ah, love it. I love it, love it. It's so pretty. It just gives such a pretty natural glow, but it also has that pearlescentness to it that makes it pop more, you know? It's not just super natural, you don't see, but you can definitely see something whenever you turn your head. I love it. And I love that it's in a balm because it's kind of like a nice consistency. It's not sticky at all. I don't have any issues with that, but I feel like it doesn't move. It stays where it's supposed to be. Really nice. For eyes. Okay, so I used this in my last video, the video that I did for Instagram Picked My Makeup, and this Chanel New Moon, I was blown away, guys. I was using it and I'm like, oh my gosh, why haven't I not been using this as much as how great it is. It's so nice. I really am impressed with this little guy here. But this New Moon, and I just take it on my finger and spread it across my lid like that, and it just gives such a beautiful, oh wow, you know, like it just gives such a gorgeous sheen to the eye. And I love the color, the New Moon color. Now they have a lot of different colors. I was looking because, you know, I was like, this formula is really good. So I was looking them up, seeing like what other colors they had because I really wanted to know. But I love this color. I might have to get a backup because I just love it so much. It's so pretty. Have y'all tried these? This is the only shade I have in this kind of formula. But what I like about it is that I usually have a hard time with more creamier products just for the fact that I have oilier eyelids. I mean, a cream product for me is almost 99.9% gonna crease. The other thing I don't like about certain cream products sometimes is that they'll crease in the eyelid and then, they'll crease like in the crease right here, and then you feel it. Okay, so that's so pretty. I don't have an eyebrow pencil, so I'm gonna quickly do my eyebrows and then I'll be right back. Now I'm taking this eyeliner. This is a Stylo Ombre at Contour in Contour Brun. I really like these pencils. I love that it has a sharpener on the other side, which I didn't know until someone showed me. It's like they put all these little things in there and you're like, they're hiding. But this is the actual color here. It's really, really pretty. And then I'm just gonna line in my waterline. I think it looks so pretty. I just quickly curled my eyelashes with my Shiseido eyelash curler. It's my absolute favorite. I'm going to go in with my Le Volume Revolution de Chanel mascara. This is so good. Now, this is like a little mini sample size. If you have the opportunity to get a sample of the mascara before you buy a full size, I would recommend it. I recommend this formula and the Le Volume de Chanel formula. They're both just amazing formulas and they give such great volume to the eyelashes. So that is this side. I'm going to do the other side. All right, last but not least, we are going to go in with lips. This lipstick is the boy lipstick and it's the Rouge Coco Flash lipstick. I love the packaging of this. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh, it is a great lipstick. It's an everyday lipstick that you can wear around the house. You could wear it just anywhere, honestly. It's so pretty, but it just gives a good shine to the lips. I feel like I need some lipstick with this. I can keep it like this, but I feel like I need something else. Because this is real light. It's easy. Light, easy, every day. But I really want to go in with a gloss. Now, if you haven't tried these glosses before, they are gorgeous. They are the Rouge Cocoa Gloss. This is in shade 96. Any shade, honestly, is so beautiful. Or this is such a pretty pink shade. Yeah. Oh, I love just some nude lips, a really pretty eye that sparkles. I love Chanel. I think that it's an amazing brand. If you haven't tried it yet, I would definitely recommend that you try. They have some great staples. Like if you're looking to start maybe with a few items from Chanel, I would say some staple items from the brand are a mascara. This is the Le Volume de Chanel mascara, and then this is the one I use. This is the Revolution de Volume de Chanel. Both are fantastic. I would say this is great. The Soleil Tan de Chanel. It's an amazing bronzer. Now, the new bronzer, I'm not quite sure. I haven't tried it, but I do know this older formulation was so good, and you know, I might just try that new one too, just to kind of give it a go and kind of see how it compares. Another great product are the glosses. I think that they are so wonderful. They're standout glosses. They're easy to apply. Just an amazing formula. They're not sticky. Really nice and pretty. Just pretty. Very classy on the lips. Okay, y'all, that's a final look for the full face of Chanel. I hope that y'all enjoyed this, and I hope there's a few products in here that may have sparked interest to you, or if you've tried them before, let me know. I would love to know what your thoughts are if you've tried the new formulation of the Soleil Tan de Chanel. I'm super curious because I haven't tried that yet, so I'm curious to see how they may compare. I appreciate y'all being here. Thank you so much for watching. It means so much to me. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. That just lets me know that you want to see more from me, and it really helps me out for my channel too. So thank you. Again, I hope you all are having an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.